Hello, that's cultural Igbo bead, and that is good metal for beautification. We also have necklace hook, we have earring pendant, and other types of cultural bead for beautifying the necklace. And we also have crystal bead to make it look beautiful. Elastic, non-elastic fishing line. With your fishing line, put your gold metal bead first. Then you add the other type. You can see the picture there. Before you now add the crystal bead, one in each. Yes, then you add the other smaller type of cultural bead. Yes, you can see the picture now. Then you see add the same crystal bead in each of the end of the line, fishing line you're holding. Yes, then you put that round one. Do you see the way it looks now? Okay, you see add the same crystal bead in each of the fishing line you're holding. Then you add the cultural bead, the smallest one. This time around you're adding the two in each side. You can see that. Did you see that now? Two in each side. Then you add the crystal bead, one at each side. Then you see add the same cultural small bead, two at each side. Just follow that pattern. You see, you are done with the first phase. Then we'll go over to the second phase. Yes, without your gold metal be good. Okay, just the same pattern. Follow the same pattern you did the first one. Now you're done with the second phase. You have to go to the third phase, because I'm told I'm doing three step cultural necklace. Do you see the second step? And you're going to see the third step as well. You see they both look the same, it's the same pattern. The three of them. You see the third one now. That is the third one, and you see that they all have the same pattern. Okay, so I'm just trying to arrange them, and not only arranging them, you'll be able to hold each end of the three together, tight them, so that you can now focus on the other three ends. You understand? So we'll tie this one and leave this one, then we'll focus on the other one. Then when we are done with the other one, we can now come back to this other end as well. Watching me arranging them, make sure they are equal. So you can see when you're measuring it, you see where the rope is touching. Yes, where the rope is. Like it's manual one, so I have to fix one to measure it to do the same. Then you see wherever the rope is touching, that's where you have to start passing through your rope. Pass through the fishing line. Even sometimes it will be hard to pass through, you just have to stretch it so it will enter. And if it enters, tight it well, tight it very well, because if you do not tight it, it will loosen and it will not have shape. So you can see I'm measuring now wherever the rope is touching, this is it, then you still pass through your rope through there so it can be accurate. Yes, because that design you're seeing there actually made different design. You can actually do any pattern of this. Or better, you can go to the market and buy one fine pendant and fix it there. But that one, this one I'm touching, yes, I made it with my hand. Though I did not explain it here. There's not much time for me to do that. Yes, you can see I added, in those three rope I was holding, I added three of the crystal bead in them. You can see that they're all three. Measuring it now, I have to make the other one. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one by my left hand side, 4. So now I got this the small cultural bead. Then I have to pass through, I have to use the whole rope and pass through under. You see it? Put the whole 3 ropes under, you pass it through one. Did you see how it will look now? That's how it will look. Pass the whole rope all inside. Because when I want to make only this one side, one side bead, I don't want to make it three like the way I started before. You see, understand? Just watch. So you tight it. This one tightening, so it now has shape. They bring the same crystal bead and put in there 5 to 3 rope in it. And I still have to add this one. So 1 crystal bead and 3 of that cultural bead. Just look at how it's gonna be. It's not beautiful. It is there. It is. It's beautiful. Then we are done with the other side. So let's go to the other end. So looking at that same pattern, the pattern of 1 crystal bead and 2 small cultural beads, 1 crystal bead and 2 cultural beads, 1 crystal bead and 2 cultural beads. That's what you be doing in each of the stitching lines. When you're done with the first side, you do the second side, you do the third side. Let me make sure that they're all equal. The same thing you put in the other side is what you're going to put in the other side. Now look at how it's going to be when it's finished. This is the finishing part of it. Now the next one is for us to see through the hook. When you get the hook, pass your thread, the 2 thread to that opening of that hook and tight it. It's a normal tighten. Now this is how it's going to be at the end. Because of time, so I couldn't explain everything. Isn't it good? So we are good to go. And the other one, the bangles and the earring, I didn't explain much. This is the way it is. Okay, it's beautiful, isn't it? Please subscribe.